filming?
Yes, I've got a challenge for you. If you can start my car with the key, you can keep it.
What are you talking about?
If you can start my car outside the house with that key, you can keep it. It can be your car.
Just start the car?
Yeah, all you have to do is start the car and it's yours.
What are you up to?
Go start the car and find out.
What have you done to it?
Nothing.
Okay. I don't believe him, do you? Let's go.
Okay guys, so what Becky doesn't realise is I've just had a special security system fitted to my car called Ghost. Now in this video I'm going to tell you all about Ghost, but make sure you watch to the end because we're going to have Becky in the car. I'm going to set up some GoPros. I'm going to film her trying to start the car with the key with Ghost. Let's see if it works. Let's see what she does. Ghost is a very clever system that makes it so your car won't start till you've entered a password. So you may be asking, a password? How and where do you enter a password? That's where the system really shines. The password is actually a combination of buttons inside the car. For example, the password could be formed from buttons on your steering wheel or even the center console down here. To start the car up with Ghost, all you need to do is press the start button twice without your foot on the brake. So then you enter your password. Then you should see two blue lights flash here on the dash. It might be different in different cars, but the installer will let you know. And then that's it, you're ready to go. All you do is put your foot on the brake and press the start button. And there you have it, your car is started. So what happens if you don't enter the password? Well, make sure you watch to the end of this video where you can see my wife's attempt to start the car without the password. If you don't want to enter the password each time you start your car, simply launch the Ghost II app. Once paired to your car, all you have to do is press this button in the middle to amber. Now when your phone is within 5 to 10 meters from the car, it's going to start up. The problem with this option is if you leave your phone within 10 meters from the car and forget to disable it, thieves may be able to start your car. So I personally recommend not using the app and sticking to the manual password input for maximum security. One of the best parts about Ghost is you can fully customize it and set any password you want. You can create a password with up to 20 button presses. Now 20 is a lot to enter when you start the car, so you may want to set a shorter password, but hey, the choice is yours. Now you must be thinking, what happens when I take my car to be serviced or repaired? Well, this system comes with a special service mode. Service mode is activated easily by entering a special service password. Once activated, the car will start as normal without needing any code. However, if the car is driven over 30 miles per hour and continues to drive for 15 minutes, service mode will be disabled and the car won't start up until the full password has been entered. Every fitting of Ghost is completely unique. I mean, I have no idea where it's fitted in my car. So now you know how this system works, how much does it all cost and how do you get it fitted to your car? There's lots of approved Ghost installation companies all across the UK. I had mine installed from a company called ghostinstallations.co.uk. I went to these guys because they came highly recommended. Just a heads up though, in this video I am not in partnership with these guys. I purchased the system as a normal customer and to be honest guys, they don't even know I'm making this video. The great thing about these guys is they visited my workplace and while I was working they did all the work in the car park using their mobile service. I think they cover the whole of the UK with this service as well. In terms of price, the Ghost system fully fitted including VAT cost me £499. Now, I know this is quite expensive, but honestly, if you've got a nice car, I think the peace of mind and the security and the protection is totally worth it, especially at the moment where there's such a long wait for new cars. So that's everything you need to know about the Ghost system, but now let's see how it really works when we give my wife the keys and she tries to start my car. Now before Becky tries the car, there's just one extra thing I want to share with you guys that I use to keep my car safe. The only downside with Ghost is it's not going to help prevent criminals from getting inside your car, which is why I still recommend protecting your keys with a Faraday pouch or box. A Faraday box is going to protect your keys from keyless theft. This is where criminals use a device outside your home to clone the signal from your key, and they literally steal your car in minutes. These boxes and pouches block the key signal so they can't be accessed. Now here at ABAUTO, I'm proudly sponsored by Theftblock.com, who make some of the best quality Faraday pouches and boxes you can buy. Quality is so important when it comes to Faraday pouches because if the stitching starts to come away, they sometimes won't work. So guys, my advice is to avoid the cheap pouches and invest a little bit more money in something more stronger and reliable like the ones they do here on Theftblock. So personally, for the extra protection, I still keep my keys in this box here. They also offer a new customization service where you can add in car logos like this cool Mercedes AMG box here. Simply click on personalize your box, then you can add custom text or even a nice selection of car logos. To buy one, just head over to theftblock.com and you can use my code ABAUTO10 to get a 10% discount. They're also on Amazon too now, so if you want to use Prime, you can buy one and get instant next day delivery. As always guys, I'll leave the links in the description below in case you want to buy one. Right, now let's see what happens when Becky tries to start up the car with Ghost.
Okay. So far, so good. System's going. Okay, so I guess now. Oh, seatbelt on. What happened? Ah, okay. So put it in reverse, I guess. Start engine. I started the engine. Okay, reverse. Okay, well, yeah. Clearly there's something fishy about this challenge because he wasn't just going to give me his car unless this is a trick because he's actually bought another car. Oh, hang on, it says there's a key symbol in there, so maybe I should put it in here. I'll put it in there. Okay, well, the air's blowing so the system's on. But why can't I get the engine to start? Start engine. Function unavailable. How did he do this? I mean, I didn't seriously think I was going to get given his car. I knew there was a cat. I knew there was going to be something going on. But this is not an electric car. It should be going vroom, making a really loud noise. I'm just looking for any buttons I've never noticed before. No, I can't do it. No. Can't do it. So the key's in the car. I press the button, start engine, and it doesn't start. Well, obviously that didn't work.
No. How did you get on?
Well, I mean, I didn't expect the car to start, I will just say that. But I thought, well, maybe I just need to do something. So I tried everything I could think of. I put my foot on the brake, obviously, and then I tried it with my foot off just to see if it was like a... That didn't work. And then I put my seatbelt on. That didn't work. Because I thought maybe it's like a safety thing. Maybe there's a thing now where you can't start the car until the seatbelts are in.
Well, it's a Mercedes, so...
Well, I didn't actually think to check if all the other seatbelts were plugged in. That would have been a clue. I noticed a key symbol in the cup holders in that middle part. So I tried putting the key in there. Didn't work. I didn't expect it to work, but I did think, you know, I wonder if it's really quite simple. And he's saying it's so easy, even Becky can do it. And I hope that's not the case because Becky can't do it.
No, well, I'm really sorry. You actually a pawn in testing my new security system. So you'll have to watch the video when it's finished, and you'll find out exactly how it works.
Because I know you said a little while ago about a new security system.
Yes, yeah. So
that you were thinking of having one put in.
Well, you've just told me that it does work because you know my car well enough to start it, and you can start it. So
I can confirm.
There you go. The proof is in the pudding, as we might say in England. Anyway, say bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Becky.
You're welcome.
So guys, there we have it. That is Ghost, a great system to keep your car safe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button because it really helps me in the channel. And if you want more Mercedes Benz tips, general car stuff, and just lots of fun, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.